Welcome to this video how to cancel Shopee order when it is already shipped. If you are on Shopee, go to your profile at the top right hand corner. Then click on My Account. Next, go to Purchase section and click on it. Here you can see it. The order is under to the Receive section. You not be unable to see a cancellation button. However, if it is under to the Ship section, you can cancel it directly. If the order is under to the Receive section, you want to cancel it, you must contact the actual seller of the product, reach out them via a mail, and tell them you would like to cancel the order. They can cancel it on their side, but they must agree to the first. You not be able to cancel the order in your account. You need to contact the seller and ask them can cancel the order and refund or your money. If you already received your product, you can return it and get a refund. If this video help you, drop like. I see you the next one.